Hi, this is a video tutorial version for mobile or tablets trying to register for the online certification. So you're going to be at the home page. You're going to click this red button right here. It's going to take you to these other tabs and you're going to click the certification. It's going to open up this page for you. So this is a little bit different when you're using the tablet than the desktop. So this page will tell you all the information you need about certification, but to actually register, you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Okay, so you're going to click here. For the online, you're going to click that big red button. It's going to open up the next page, which this is the page that you're going to go to. And the first time you enroll, so that you can pick what you're going to do for your cart, is you're going to click here. And then it's going to open up another page that has all the tests that you're going to take or that you need to take. So let's say you want to you're going to do the admin. Here's the admin, here's the clinical. These are retakes. But we're not going to talk about those. So you're going to just hit add to cart, and then you hit view cart. So then you're going to make sure that what's in the cart is what you really meant to click. So you're going to look at that right here, and then you're going to hit checkout. And that's going to bring you this screen with this big green button right here. So that is the first time that you register. You're going to click that. That's going to open up this screen that you're going to fill out all of this information here that has the asterisks. Okay, and make sure that you have registered for the ASPMA already and that you did not just do it like the day before. You need to give us a couple weeks to get you your ASPMA number, because as you can see, you're going to need that to do your certification exam. So when you're done with all of that, you're going to hit submit. Remember to note your user ID and your password, because if you lose that and you have to get a hold of Elizabeth, then you have to give her time to respond to you, okay? Because she can't just stop doing everything to respond to people if she's like at work. So then you're going to hit submit, and then it's going to take you to the page where you check out. Okay, so then you're going to, when you're done and you're ready to take the exam, because remember it takes a couple weeks to get your study guide, so you don't have to start right away. You can register for the exam and take it, 2 months down the road if you want, because you don't want to start taking the exam before you study, because you really don't want to fail and have to take a retakes. So once you are ready to take your exam, after you've received your study guide, everything like that, you go back in here to log in, and that's where you just use your username and password right here. You hit log in. It will automatically populate the test that you registered for, and then you'll be able to do each section whichever order you want. You do, however, need to remember that once you start that section, so you can look at them, see this one takes this time, or if you want to do medical terminology before you do radiology, that's perfectly fine. There's 7 sections. As you can see on this page, this is where all the sections are right there. So you don't have to do them in order, but you do need to remember, once you open a test section, you must finish it because it is timed. So do not close it and ask us to reset it. You have to finish it. Okay, good luck. Happy testing. If you have any questions or need help with anything afterwards, here is Elizabeth's email address. You need to give her time to respond to you, because she does work her day job in podiatry also, just like the rest of us. Okay, good luck. Happy testing.